There is a lot of chit chat about the Campi Flegrei super volcano. Super volcano, there is no scientific definition of it. There is a lot of volcanoes around the world. A few of them is out of the Ring of Fire. And this one in the Italy is supposed to cause a disaster. We see several craters around it, but what we are talking about is a big caldera. And anybody who believes that this caldera is actually a supervolcano, I don't know what to say, it doesn't know anything about geology. Volcanoes form when there is a subduction in this setting, of course. The distance and the geometry of the subduction determines how far away from the subduction zone you will have the volcano. So in this case, we have the Africa undergoing subduction under the Eurasian plate and creating these volcanoes dotted all over the place. There is a magma chamber under it. This magma chamber is feeding the volcanoes above it. But it doesn't mean that the whole area is a supervolcano. It means the magma chamber is very big and flat. We have terms for it in geological terms. Those nothing to do with it being eruptive sequence. You just have something that is inflates. Then when deflates, you will see this kind of caldera-shaped structures around it. Most of what you see is American jingoism, unfortunately. And unfortunately, this is leading, to some belief in the people. American way of life, it seems that believes that every weekend for the Monday, the world must end because nobody wants to go to work. So they have this apocalyptic waiting all the time for them to happen. They wish something to happen, probably finish their misery of the life. I don't understand this. There is no supervolcano here. Every now and then this kind of news comes and people try to actually popularize this. This is from 2019. You see, they were telling exactly the same thing. And it didn't happen, as we know.